What's up, everyone? We are back today and we're diving into a topic that hits home for a lot of watch enthusiasts. We all have those moments where we're dreaming of luxury icons, the Cartier Tank, the Rolexes, or the Patek Philippe's of the world. But let's be real, the price tag is usually the brick wall that stops us in our tracks. Now, a lot of people try to scratch that itch with mass-produced homage watches, but the problem there is that they often feel impersonal. They lack the finer details, the finishing is hit or miss, and they end up feeling more like a replica than a true expression of style. That is exactly where the world of modding comes in, specifically the Seiko Santos Mod by Skyrim Wrist. Instead of settling for a factory-line homage, you're looking at a watch that has been thoughtfully curated, hand-assembled, and polished to a standard that honestly punches way above its weight class. We're talking about a watch that bridges the gap between heritage and modern design, something that is bold, refined, and built to be worn every single day without the $7,000 anxiety. So let's get into it. We already gave our unboxing video a few days ago. Do check that out. Now let's talk about the details. The case is a 38mm, which we found to be the Goldilocks zone for most wrists. It has a lug-to-lug height of 47.5mm, so it strikes a perfect balance between having a strong presence and being incredibly wearable. At 12mm thick, it has enough substance to feel like a real watch under a jacket, but it's slim enough to work in a professional office setting or a casual weekend outing. What really impressed us was the alignment. If you've messed around with budget homages before, you know that bezel and dial misalignment are common eyesores, but here, everything is precise. Every index is perfectly positioned and the lines on the dial are crisply printed. Speaking of the dial, it features those blackened Roman numerals that clearly take inspiration from Cartier's classic style. It's not trying to trick anyone into thinking it's an exact replica, but it captures that sophisticated, elegant DNA perfectly. We really appreciated the love put into these finishing touches. It gives the watch its own unique character while honoring the design language that came before it. Then there is the bracelet. Using 904L stainless steel is a massive upgrade over the standard 316L you see in this price range. 904L is what the big luxury brands use because of its incredible corrosion resistance and the way it takes a polish. The integrated design features those signature screw accents that flow seamlessly from the case into the bracelet. On the wrist, it feels secure and premium, and it's adjustable for a wide range of wrist sizes, from 5.71 inches all the way up to 7.8 inches. Topping it all off is a sapphire crystal, which gives you that scratch resistance and clarity that lets the dial details shine without any distortion. When we look at the actual craftsmanship, the case finishing is what stands out. It's a mix of fine brushing and mirror polishing. When the light hits it, the watch looks dynamic, it looks alive. This isn't just a functional tool, it's wearable craftsmanship. Each watch is hand-assembled right here in the USA, inspected and fine-tuned for precision. When you hold a watch that a human hand has actually handled with intent, it just feels different than something that popped out of a factory mold by the thousands. Even those screw accents on the bracelet aren't just there for the vibe. They signify a level of engineering precision and quality assurance that you'd expect from a much more expensive piece. The 904L steel feels solid, and the overall finishing is clean, minimalistic, yet bold. Everything from the sapphire crystal to the caseback has been designed with the daily wear philosophy in mind. Under the hood, we have a familiar friend, the Seiko NH35 automatic movement. Engineered in Shizukushi, Japan, this is the ultimate workhorse. If you're a regular on the channel, you know we love the NH35 because it's reliable, robust, and incredibly easy to service. It offers a 41-hour power reserve, self-winding, manual winding, and it features hacking seconds for precise time setting. With 24 ruby jewels, this movement runs consistently and smoothly. For a watch that you're meant to wear every day, this is the perfect engine. You don't have to baby it or worry about delicate, finicky Swiss mechanisms that cost a fortune to fix. The NH35 is a proven tank, making this a watch that is meant to be used, not just sat on a shelf. After spending some real time with the Mod Santos on the wrist, we can tell you that the proportions are spot on. The 38mm size has a perfectly balanced presence. It's noticeable, but it doesn't wear you. Because the lug-to-lug is 47.5 millimeters, it sits flat and balanced on the wrist without any weird overhang. The bracelet was comfortable from minute one. No pinching, no rubbing, just a snug, stable fit. Compared to other Seiko mods we've handled, this one feels more refined and confident. The way the polished and brushed surfaces play with the light makes it a total chameleon. It looks just as good with a white t-shirt and jeans as it does with a sharp suit. And let's talk about that lume. Using C3 luminous stainless steel hands was a great choice. Even in near total darkness, the glow is strong and consistent. It's a practical, thoughtful detail that really enhances the experience of owning the watch. Basically, this is the watch that we didn't feel was cheap or undergraded. We found it to be impressively solid and built with a level of intent that is rare at this price point. The Seiko Mod Santos isn't just a mod, it's a statement. It fuses heritage design with modern reliability. For anyone who's frustrated by the compromises of factory-made homages, a mod like this from Skyrim Wrist delivers something unique, personal, and carefully engineered. You're getting that timeless design language, a 12-month warranty for peace of mind, and 5 ATM water resistance for your daily life, all for a price range of just $289. In our opinion, rather than buying a mass-produced homage that everyone else has, why not go for a mod that offers individuality, quality, and the pride of owning something hand-finished? It's an excellent choice for any collector. Thanks for sticking with us for this deep dive. We'd love to hear what you think in the comments. Are you a fan of the integrated bracelet look? If you enjoyed the review, hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.